Hello guys, welcome to Show Flicks of Tech. Today we'll be unlocking Stylo Swift 4G. This method works on most stylos and also Mobicels. Let's check if it's locked. The phone, we can see that the phone is locked. There's an indicator that the lock is there. So in this video, we're going to unlock this phone using a PC, a tool called uh, the best flash tool. So I'm going to show you how to download the tool. Now I'm just showing you that the phone is locked. So I'm going to show you how to download the tool. So you're going to need a PC to unlock this phone. You're also going to need a software called best flash tool, and also you're going to need a internet connection. Without internet connection you won't do anything. Now we're just going to turn off the phone and then we're going to move to the PC. The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to your browser and then you're going to type download best flash tool by Boss. So you're going to click, and then the first link that appears, you're going to click on it. Here's the link. You click on the link and then you're going to scroll down to find the download button. You're going to download the latest version 7.1. There's also some steps. If you're getting an error message, you just have to download these two files and then copy them into the dictionary of the installed best flash tool. So now we're going to download this thing. You download it. I've already downloaded it. I won't download it. So and then the next thing that they're going to do, are going to open it and run it as an administrator. It is a setup. This is installation setup. So you're going to install it using this installation setup called BTF setup. And after that, after you have installed the software successfully, you are going to open it. I'm opening the software now. Remember, in this software you don't have to buy any credits. This software comes with a trial account which has full access to the features of these tools. Don't need to pay anything for this tool. Now it's loading. The software has opened, so you're going to click on login. Once you have logged in, you're going to change from MetaTag to UniSoc, and then you're going to select SC9812E authentication. Then you're going to go to services. When you're on services, you're going to click reset FRP. The first thing you have to do, your phone has to be off, and then you have to click the power button and the volume down at the same time. You are going to hold them throughout the process until the phone turns on. But you hold them when and simultaneously you insert the cable into the phone, and then you keep on holding them until the phone turns on. You're going to see some pop-ups appear on your screen. You're going to see a success. There have to be 4 successes. So let's see. The phone has deducted. Your phone has to be deducted. If it deducted, it's going to be like this, and then you'll see the first payload has been sent, and then now it's getting is sending the FTL2. Once we see success, it's fine to go. FRP has been removed. You don't stop holding. You hold the power button down and the volume down and the power button at the same time until you see the screen turns on. So the phone is turning on now. You can see that it's stylo. Turning on, let's check if it has been unlocked. No. Turning on, we're waiting for it to turn on. Now we can see you don't see the logo. Let's wait and see if it's going to appear again. You don't see the logo. It has been successfully unlocked. You can even see that it allows us to set up the phone offline. So we have successfully removed FRP on the Stylo Swift 4G. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Ciao.